be teaching you how to make handbag that has this wide bottom. Yes, it's very easy to make. It's just not okay. Yeah, you can use it for this bag. Now you measure 24. So what I'm doing, make it 24. 24 by 14, and add 1 inches for the seam allowance. You put this thing on it, interfacing, and iron it. I've already ironed this one inside. Put interfacing on it and iron it. Put interfacing and iron it and fold it together. Like I was saying, we measure this side. Measure 25. That is 24 inches. Yes, 24. 24 by the length here is by 14. Yes, 14. But add 1 inch to make it 15 for seam allowance. But this 24, both the seam allowance is there. And after that, you come to this side here, and this the bottom side. This side is the bottom side. Take 3 inches like this. See what I'm doing? Take 3 inches. Take 3 inches like this. And this like this. And make a straight line of it. This 3 inches here. See what I did now? 3 inches from here to here 3, from here to here 3, and make this this line there. I'm going to this other side here. This side, take another 3 inches here. Take another 3 inches. That's what I did. Make sure it's 3 inches. Fit again like this. From here to here 3 inches. Here to here 3 inches. And make this straight line like this. See how it is? You come to this mouth side there, the upper side. Take 2 inches. This side. And come to this side again. Take another 2 inches. I'm going to explain it to you for better understanding. Look at the 2 inches I took. From this edge here to here, I took 2 inches. And from this edge here to here, I took 2 inches. So I'm going to be cutting this side here. Like this bottom side that I took 3 inches. I'm going to be cutting it like this. Remember, I've ironed my interfacing on it. And cut it like this. Look at it. I've cut it and cut this side also. Remember, it's the 3 inches I measure that I'm cutting. So I've cut it now. Look at it. I've cut the 3 inches I measured. I'm come to this mouth side here. Sorry for that. So I'll come to this place, the place where I measured to, at the upper side there. Make straight line from this upper side here to this place here. Make straight line from this 2 here to this place I took 3. Make straight line like this. So you can see what I did now. From this 2 here, I make straight line to meet with this 3 inches here that I've cut out, and come to this other side the same way. I'll measure 2 inches from here to here and make a straight line from that 2 inches. Place your tape hook there or your ruler, whichever, and make straight line from this 3 here. Make straight line to meet with 2 inches here, the 2 inches here. So that's what I did. You see it. So I'm going to be cutting it now. So look at it. I cut from that place, from that 2 here to this 3. I'll cut it like this. So this is it. I'll come to this place also and cut it to meet with that 2. So look at what I have now. So I'm going to be using this pattern now to cut the lining. I'm going to be putting lining on it. I'm going to use it the way this thing is like this. Use it to cut the lining because it's going to have lining on it. And this is the handle. The handle is I took depends the length of the handle you want. This one I took this one 3 inches by 21. Depends how you want it. Remember, I'm folding it. I'm going to fold it like this. I've cut it. I've put interfacing on it to make it thick. So depend the fabric you're using. So this is it. I'm going to be cutting the lining now and sew it. I've cut the lining. I use this sorry for that. I use the pattern this one to cut the lining the same way I cut this one. That is what I used to cut the lining. So I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to take it to the machine now to sew it. And this lining, I'll be putting pocket on it. You're gonna see it when I'm doing it. I'll be having I'll be putting the lining, the inside. I'll be putting it pockets. It's going to be having pocket like this. This is how the pocket going to be. I took the pocket, both the same allowance and the measurement. I took 9 for the upper side here, the length side I took 9, and while the white side I took 8. That's 9 by 8. Why I took 9 in this length? Because I will be folding this upper side here. This is how it's going to be. So the line is going to be like this. So I'm taking to the machine now to go and sew it. Wash it and see how I'll be sewing it. It's very easy to make, and this is what I'll be doing now. This is how it's going to be. I'm going to sew from here to here, and sew from here again and to here again. After that, I put my this. I'm going to be putting my this in now, the handle. Like I said, I've showed you the handle. I'm going to be putting the handle and sew my zip. It's going to be having zip. I'm going to be putting. I want to use this particular suit because of the shoe I'm putting on. No, I use this zip. Where this handle will be is this. From this side here, I will measure 2 inches. From this upper side here, I measure 2 inches. And from this side again, I measure another 2 inches. So that is where I will be folding my handle like this, fold it like this, and sew. After that, I will attach it from this side, from these 2 inches here, and the other one from this 10 inches. So that is how after that, I'll now join the down part. That is good to go. So just watch and stay and watch the sewing. Thank you.